Imagine turning your WordPress Classic Editor into a complete AI-powered content machine. With DominoPost, you can generate unlimited SEO-friendly articles for your blog, even if you're using the free version. But this plugin is much more than just an AI writer. You can easily optimize your existing posts with smart focus keyword optimization. Simply give it a target keyword, and the plugin will scan your article and insert that keyword naturally and systematically throughout the content. It works the same way for internal and external links. The AI automatically finds the best spots and inserts high-quality links that feel completely natural to your readers. You also get powerful tools like one-click AI grammar fixer, AI FAQ schema generator, smart content rewriting, and advanced table of contents with multiple beautiful styles. On top of that, DominoPost includes bulk title editing, so you can quickly update multiple post titles at once, a site-wide broken link checker to keep your site clean, professional CTA and download buttons to boost conversions, and built-in Google keyword research that gives you real-time related keyword suggestions right inside the editor. Whether you're a professional blogger, SEO specialist, or content creator, DominoPost brings everything you need directly into your WordPress editor, so you can create better content faster and rank higher with less effort. To install this plugin, simply search for DominoPost in the Add Plugins page and install it. After installation, go to the AI Writer page. To use this feature, we need to set up an API key. Go to API Configuration, then select Open Router. Click on Get API Key. If you don't have an account on this platform yet, just sign up. Once logged in, you will see the interface. Click on New Key. Fill in the details. Choose No Limit for duration and create the key. Copy this API key and paste it into the DominoPost API configuration, then save it. Now enter your keyword here. You can add multiple keywords, one per line. Here you will find two options. Bulk production means one article will be generated for each keyword, so if you give 3 keywords, the AI will create 3 separate articles with 3 different focus keywords. If you choose keyword clustering with the same 3 keywords, it will generate one strong pillar article focusing on all of them together. Then in the sidebar, choose your desired content template. By default, it is set to SEO optimized. You can also adjust word count and other options. You can insert FAQ, key takeaways, or CTA buttons to generate leads, etc. Then click on Generate Article. Instantly, a pop-up will open, and the AI will start working to generate the article. It usually takes more than a minute because it really delivers high-quality output. Article generated. Let's open and review it. The article is smooth. The structure and quality are so professional. You just need to add images and publish it. Before that, let me quickly show you the other options here. I already told you about the focus keyword optimization feature earlier. Just give the keyword you want to optimize and tell it how many times you want to mention this exact keyword in the article. Then see the magic. You can create FAQs, fix grammar, and insert internal or external links using the AI features. This plugin also offers very professional CTA buttons, like download buttons, click here buttons, and more. You can also explore other useful features like the one-click code block, emoji options, and the find and replace tool. For example, suppose you wrote an article on best smartphone in 2025 and used 2025 several times, but now you want to change it. With this plugin, just enter the text to find and what to replace it with, one click, and it's done across the whole post. You can also use the built-in table of contents feature. This is the default view. You can change the design anytime from the settings page, choose your preferred style, and save it. In the Tools page, you'll find some amazing features like bulk edit post titles, broken link checker, and more. You can also use bulk find and replace for post titles too. The broken link checker is especially useful for blog sites. It helps you find broken links and either update them or remove them easily. So this is DominoPost, a complete AI-powered toolkit that makes content creation, optimization, and management much easier and faster for WordPress users. Whether you are just starting out or running a big blog, this plugin can seriously boost your productivity and SEO results. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful WordPress and AI tool reviews. Drop a comment below and tell me which feature you liked the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.